Hello everyone. So today we will be solving Leetcode problem number 94, that is binary tree Inorder Traversal. So we are given the root of a binary tree and we have to return the Inorder Traversal. So Inorder Traversal is basically left, root and then right. So we will be doing this by two approaches. First would be recursion and another one would be iteration. So let's get started. So we know Inorder is left, root, right. So what we will do for the recursion, we will call the inorder function again and again, like for our left subtree and for our right subtree, and we will be alongside printing our root value. So we will do it like again, we will call our left subtree, we will be printing the value, we'll be making the calls to our right subtree. But of course, while we write the logic, we will write the logic in such a way that, of course, as this will be a tree recursion, so our left subtree will always get, like, that function will always get executed first. So let me just write that piece of algo so it will be easier to understand. So we will be making a in order, we will be calling an in order function. So in that, what we will do is, first, if we are having root, like if it is not null, what we will do is we will be calling it again, like we will be calling it recursively for the left subtree. We will be appending its value, let it be result dot append in a list, and what we will append is the value, and then we will be calling it for right subtree also. So what will happen, let's try to understand this with this example. So when the function will and firstly we will be like giving it our root. So in here our root starts with 1. So let's see this. So when our function call will happen, it will call in order 1. Now this has to do three things. First, it has to do in order left, it also has to append, it also has to do in order right. But it will not execute these two until this is done completely, like until this call finishes. So now it will be in order. Now, do we have anything in our left subtree? No, as we do not have anything in our left subtree, our root will be like this root will be null. As we don't have any null, so this call just won't happen. As this is null, there is nothing. So this call just won't happen. There is no further calls to make, like no recursive other recursive calls to make. So what it will do is it will append the value, the root value, which is 1, to our output. So now 1 is appended to our output. Now what it will do is we will call our in order root dot right. So what do we have in right? We have got 2 in right. So we would call in order 2. Now in here, root dot right means we will be calling the function again with the value with the root value of 2. So now this will make 3 calls. One will be like for the left one will be appending 1, and one will be right 1. But these two won't be executed till this is executed completely. So what do we see in our left subtree? We see 3. So in order 3. Now this will make 3 calls. One will be for the left one. So do we have anything to the left of 3? No, it is null. So it will not do anything. But what it will do is it will print the root value, that is 3. I mean, it will append it. So in our output array, we will get a 3. Now, do we have anything in the right subtree? No. So it will do nothing. Now we will come to this call. As we don't have anything, we have this null and this null. Now we will come to this. So what it will do is it will print the root value, which is 2. Sorry, not print, append. So now we have appended the 2. Now do we have any call to make here? No, this is also null. Like in order null, if our root is null, we don't have to execute all this. So now we have already printed our output array. Now let's see this with another example. So let it be 1. We have got 2. We have got 3. We have got 4. We have got 5. And let it be, we have got a 6 here. So what we have to do is we have to perform a similar thing. So what will the calls be to write in order? So we will write it here. So the first will be root, which will be 1. So we will put a 1 here. Now what it will do, it will perform 3 functions. It will make a left subtree call, which is in order of 2. It will do a append, like the root value will be appended here, and a right subtree call. But these two calls won't happen until this is completely like done, until our root is null, until this two like the two subnodes for this 2 value, the subnodes are null, like it does not have any subtree. So we will make this recursive call. Now what it will do, it has also got 3 things to do, but the first will be in order 4, and this 2 will of course wait. Then this 4 has got 3 things to do, but now this value is null, so it does not have anything. So as this value is null, there will be no more recursive calls, no more recursive calls, as this value is already null. But we have to append this, so 4 comes here. So we will, in the output we have appended 4. Now do we have anything to the right of 4? No. So no more recursive calls. We have got nothing to the right. Now what has our 2 got to do is we have to append. So we will append 2. Here we will append 2. Now does it have anything in its right subtree? Yes, it does have. So it will make a recursive call. What will be the call? It will be to 5. Now our 5 has got 3 things to do. In order of left, which is, sorry, in order of left, which is null. So no more recursive calls, like no more recursive calls. Then we will be appending 5. So we will append 5 here. Then as we will come here, we will do in order of 6. Now 6 has got 3 calls to make. In order left, it is null. Then appending the value, that is 6. Let's append the value 6. Then it has got to make another call, which is right subtree. Does it have anything? No. So it will be null. So I guess we are done with the left subtree. Everything is completed. Now what we will do? We will be appending our 1. So we have got 1 here. Now what we will do? In the right subtree, we will see, do we have anything in the right subtree? Yes, we have got 3. So now it has got 3 calls to make. Do we have anything in 3 left subtree? No, null. No more recursive left calls. So we will append 3 here. do we have anything in our right subtree? No, we have nothing, so null. Now we are done with the left subtree and with the right subtree. So this will be our output in order array. So for our in order traversal, what we will do is, first we will take our result list, then we will write our in order function, which we will call itself. We will check that if root exists, like the root is not none, then we will call itself. So in order for the left subtree, then we will append our value, root value, then we will call our right subtree. And after this is done, we will now call our in order function with root, and we will return our result. So let's run to see. Okay, so tree node has no value, it has got val. Yeah, so our 3 cases got accepted. Yeah, so this is one approach to do it. We will see the iterative approach in the next video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.